Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by selecting 1 kilogram of elbow macaroni, perfect for feeding a crowd. Cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which typically takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, immediately rinse the macaroni under cold water. This crucial step stops the cooking process and ensures your pasta remains firm and separate, ready for that creamy dressing. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream for a rich, tangy base. Stir in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle kick. Finally, add 1/4 cup of sugar, along with salt and black pepper to taste, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor. Next, we'll use the accelerator pedal. With the ignition still in the off position, press the accelerator pedal completely to the floor 3 times. Make sure each press is firm and goes all the way down. You need to complete these 3 presses within a 10-second window. This specific action signals the vehicle's computer to begin the oil light reset. The final steps are simple yet crucial for perfection. Gently pour your creamy dressing over the cooled macaroni in a large bowl. Carefully fold all the ingredients together until every piece of macaroni and every mix-in is evenly coated. Once thoroughly mixed, cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a truly delicious and creamy macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.